What's up guys, today is going to be a tutorial for the people that follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to be showing you how I edited my last Instagram post, this photo right here. I'll leave a free download link below to the preset and the base preset that I used on this, and later on in the video I'll explain more about my presets and also editing in Photoshop as well, because on this photo I actually did a lot of work on it in Photoshop before Lightroom. So let's go ahead and reset this right now. And that's the original photo. I'm going to crop it, so just like that. So the first thing I'm going to do to this is add a base preset. Base presets are basically just going to tweak the colors. One that I've been using recently is this moody preset. I really like the colors on this one, so I've been using it a lot recently. And then the next thing I'm going to do is add a radial filter. This first one I normally do around like the subject of the photo, and I'm going to go to exposure, and I'm going to turn the exposure up and also the contrast. I probably will come back and tweak these, and this all depends on your original photo, the settings here. Click done, and then I'm going to add another one, a bit of a bigger radial filter for the whole photo. I'm going to go to exposure, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to turn the exposure up and also the contrast. And then I'm going to add another radial filter. This one sort of like a circle centered in the image, so maybe like that. And then I'm going to go to clarity on this one and turn the clarity up. But then what I'm going to do is invert the radial filter down here, and then I'm also going to turn up the contrast, turn up the highlights just a little bit. I'm just basically trying to get a nice contrast in the shot on this radial filter, kind of like that. Click done, and then I'm going to do a little bit of work on the sky with a radial filter. So I normally add one on the horizon, and just to bring back some detail in the sky. If you see my Instagram, then you'll notice that the sky has a lot of detail, but I'm always changing up my style. I don't really like to keep every photo the same. I like to change it up, try different styles. So on this one I'm going to go to exposure and turn it down very slightly, maybe turn the clarity up, kind of like that. And then maybe another one at the top of the sky up here. Let's go to exposure, do the same, kind of like turn the exposure down a little bit. And there you go, that's pretty much the finished product on the color editing that I do. I don't spend too much time on them because I save a lot of time by having these base presets which kind of tweak the colors already for me. I'll leave a free download link below to the base preset I used on here. I have actually just updated my Lightroom preset pack, which you can get. I'll leave the link down below. It comes with my finished presets and then also like a big list of base presets which will just tweak the colors, just like I did on this one. I also just finished up an online course in Photoshop on how to retouch your image and replace the sky, add in pictures in the background. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.